Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today we will be making your orange creamsicle shower gel and your twilight magic shower gel. I have already made the orange creamsicle because well, just to save some time, so just to give you a little sneak peek of what I did with that. And now today we'll be making the twilight magic, so let's jump right in. So first we're gonna start off by weighing our base. The base that I'm using, it is not a shower gel, so I will be turning this soap base into a gel using xanthan gum, and I hope I pronounced that properly. That's the base that I use. It's just a regular hand and body soap base. So right now I'll be preparing glycerin because in order not to let the xanthan gum get all clumpy, you would have to add it to the glycerin first, mix it out so that when you add the water, it does not get all clumpy, and the lumps that's going to form, that's going to take a million years to mix out. So here we have the xanthan gum mixed out, and now we're going to add our water. And I am using distilled water, guys, because distilled water, it does not have all the minerals and the other nutrients that the regular water has, so it does not whether mess with the formulation of the product. So here we are getting to our slurry. This is this mixture that I would call the slurry, and now we're going to add this to our soap base. I wanted to add the color to the glycerin, but I said no. Okay, and then I just changed and added it to the soap base because it will mix out more evenly. And now we're going to add the fragrance, and we're using Unicorn Dragon. I wish I could get the soap base to have both those colors. So from here on out, after I add the glycerin and the xanthan gum together to this soap base, I'll be adding more color as I go along to make sure that I receive the color that I want for this shower gel. So we're going for the color purple here. Oh, that reminds me of the movie. So we're just gonna take our time and stir, or just doing some back and forth action here so that we get all of the xanthan gum mixed out without creating a huge amount of bubbles, because we got to remember that this is soap and there's also water that's added. So just to prevent it from bubbling all up, you got to take your time and stir. And you got to stir long enough to make sure that the xanthan gum and the soap base mixes together to form that gel taste that we're looking for. So I had to stir, stop for a couple minutes, come back, and right now it seems like we are getting our gel. So I'm gonna add more color. So we're getting to our purple, guys. So we're just gonna add the color until the purple that I really want to see. Then I can stop adding my color. And there it is, getting a little bit thicker as well. So it's like the more stirring that you do, the thicker it will get as it blends with the soap. Okay guys, so I think we have the texture that I want. So now we're just gonna add our preservative to make sure that our soap stays safe, safe for use. Because remember that we add water, and any formulation that you add water to, you have to add a preservative to keep it from growing mold and bacteria. So here's our formulation, guys, all completed. So let's fill up our container. Okay, so I was just trying to get the container and and my whatever I would call that, my little jug or whatever it is, in the view of the camera, and that's why I made a mess. So here it is, guys, your shower gel, your Twilight Magic Shower Gel, and also your Orange Creamcicle Shower Gel. So these were made to go with your body scrubs, the Twilight Magic Body Scrub. I could not, well, not could not, and oh sorry, and also your Orange Creamsicle Sugar Scrub. I did not want to use the mica for the shower gels because you're gonna be using it all over your body, and I didn't want it to leave any, because the mica has the little fine sparkles, and I didn't want it to leave, so that's why I chose the purple colors in the soap color. So here you go, guys, your shower gels. So let's go and test it out right now. And as you can see, guys, it lathers up right away. And the more water that you add to it is the more foam, the more suds, and the more cleansing that you get. And I'll be rinsing this out to show you that it also rinses clean, no color left behind. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.